Hi, I'm Colleen Stewart with Emtek Products here at the Educational Center at Ridgefield Supply. Today I'm going to talk to you about Emtek's privacy lock for barn doors. Here you're going to see one of two of our strike options. These are solid brass, non-handed design, and simple surface mount installation. You're going to get your door, slide that into place. That strike is right there. You're going to use your latch and now your door is secure. As you can see, there's no pull here, so you get to decide and choose what you would like for your door. Our other option comes with an integrated pull. Nice little flush pull integrated into this. So you'd slide that back into place, throw that again, and now your door would be secure. Both of these options are readily available and here for you at Ridgefield Supply.